Hello everyone, and welcome back to another BAM repair video. Today, we're going to replace the broken rear glass on an iPhone 11. Now we're recording our own process, but if you would like to perform this repair yourself, we encourage you to look at the step-by-step guide from ifixit.com for more in-depth instructions, especially for a more complicated repair like this one. Link in the description. The tools we'll be using today include a heat gun, heat pad or other heating equipment, a scraper, replacement iPhone 11 back glass, and a multi-purpose liquid adhesive. We typically use E8000 or 7000. Before beginning, it's recommended that you discharge the battery below 25%. We then make sure that the iPhone is powered off and get started. First, we need to heat the adhesive underneath the glass. This device we are using is essentially a mounted heat gun, allowing us to use both hands while keeping the phone warm. We take our scraper and begin scraping away at the glass. Now this will break it more, but don't worry, we're replacing all of the glass anyway, so it needs to be removed. This can be a long and arduous process. We take our time, making sure not to scratch up the cameras or the charging coils underneath. It's important to make sure all of the glass shards are removed, so that none are left in any cracks or on top of any important cables. Once the glass is removed, we apply our multi-purpose liquid adhesive to the back of the phone and make sure to cover the entire surface area, except for the copper wireless charging coil. Then we carefully place down the replacement iPhone glass. Keep an eye on the cameras to make sure everything is laid correctly in place. Finally, we wrap the iPhone in rubber bands to hold the glass in place and leave it for at least 2 hours so the adhesive can dry. And we're finished. Make sure you dispose of any leftover parts or waste at a certified electronics recycler. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you in any way, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and visit us online at bamliquidation.com.